Hello there, here's Hadris with WTI and check out these colorful hangers for kids. They seem really good because they can hold a lot of weight, so we can hang one or several pairs of clothes without them breaking. And those colors are very cute, so kids might really like organizing their clothes like this. I like that they move super easily. I don't have to exert much effort to lift or drag them because they glide smoothly. Each one of them comes with these hooks for finer clothes like tank tops, so those will work too. I really like the material they're made of because I've been using them for many years and they haven't broken on me, so I can say they're made of really durable plastic. Here it is with my little brother's clothes, but sometimes I take them for my clothes too because I like them better. And that is my point of view.